Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's video is a project that I have been working on for about 2 months now, on and off, but I'm really happy with the way it has turned out. So here I am, excited to share with you my son's bedroom makeover. The first step in the bedroom makeover was to choose a color scheme. I feel it speaks volumes if you choose the right colors. After a lot of back and forth between my husband and I, we decided to stick to this palette. The next step is prepping the room. I think this took the most time as we had to ensure that we cover every nook and corner that didn't need the paint. Husband to the rescue, the humdrum looking room transformed into a bright space. I forgot to take a shot of the ceiling, but we used white on the ceiling and very light grey on the walls. I have the names of the colors and all the other details on my blog, so if you guys are interested, go take a look. Once the walls were dry, we decided to work on a geometric accent wall. A lot of work went into this since we had to paint the borders of each square individually. It didn't take much time to dry, but just making sure that the measurements were right and also just taping each square was time consuming, which again my husband did. I'm giving him all the credit. Once that was done, I had to paint the squares individually. Like you see, this took precision work. I used a foam brush and first outlined it all and then painted the rest. I must say I was very skeptical about this, but I love the way it has turned out. Assembling furniture with a kid is not the most fun task. My son did help out though, and it took forever. We shopped for the entire room in IKEA and we did save a few bucks here and there as some of the items were on sale. I like the decor to be as minimal and as simplistic as possible. So I chose these sheets from IKEA that matched with my color scheme. Then I added in some room darkening curtains that I found on Amazon for a pretty good price. I feel I should have ironed them. On one of the nightstands, I have used a cool mist humidifier cum oil diffuser. I usually use the lavender scent for the calming effect and turn it on every night before my son goes to bed. The other nightstand just has a monitor so I can watch him in my room. The dresser has wipes in the warmer and the changing pad. I did add a little detail by placing his first shoes in there and he loves it. I did make most of the decor pieces myself that I wanted to use above the dresser as well as on one of the walls. For the one you're seeing, I printed pictures of some animals he recognizes and put them on canvases. I did paint on the edges of one as the picture was smaller in size. The next was a monogram letter that I painted with the colors that were left over from the geometric accent wall. Just reusing colors at this point, and it also matched the decor. I then added his birth photo with all the statistics of his weight and height and all of that, and added another one that I had with a few written messages from his doctors, nurse and people who came to visit him first. Next, a shadow box with all the collectibles from the hospital. I also had a handprint and a footprint that I got of him when he was a month old that I pasted on a canvas. Finally, with everything in its place, I present to you the final look of the room. I really enjoyed the process of designing and decorating it. My son has been sleeping in the room and he enjoys the space. I hope you enjoyed this video of mine. If you wish to see more, please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you all very soon.